Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to play the Home NDP song by Kit Chan, all-time favorite nationality song, and which today I'm going to teach you how to play the left hand accompaniment. Okay, so for the melody you can refer to the previous video on how to play, and I'm going to show you how to play the left hand now. So left hand basically you always use finger 5, so later it's easier for you to get a chord. So you start with A, then F sharp, then you go to D, then you go to B, then you go to E. So the first section I play together with right hand. I use A, C, E. So this is home, then E, G sharp B, truly, then D major, D, F sharp A, where I know mine must be, then A, C sharp E, then repeat again. Then E, when it's E, you go E, G sharp B. A, C sharp, then A major, A, C sharp, E, then A, D, F sharp, A, then B major, B minor, B, D, F sharp. So the first section is in the key of A major, and the second section is actually go to flat already. Okay, so you're going to have a B flat, so single note, B flat, then go to G, then E flat, then C, then F, then so you can do like this. chorus section, I use B, D, F, B flat, D, F. So this is home. Then I go to F, A, C. Then I go to E flat, G, B flat. Then I go to B flat, D, F. Then I go to G minor, G, B flat, D. Then F major, F, A, C. Then E flat. Then F, A, C again. Then B flat major, F major, E flat major. Then B flat major. Then G minor. Then B flat major. Then C minor, C, E flat, G. Then E flat major. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Remember to subscribe.